Hey guys, doing a review of the Anker PowerCore Plus 26,800 milliamp battery. Been using this battery from Anker for the last 2 weeks and very impressed with it so far. Just give you some, it's a pretty big battery as you can see here. But it's metal, or it feels metal, maybe a high, nah, I would say metal. But it has a good texture to it, doesn't feel like it's going to slide out of your hand. You push the button here and it gives you the indicator of how much battery life is left. Just I'm missing a dot here, and that is from charging today. I had a Kindle Fire HDX and it was about 30% charged, and I charged it up to 100% and it barely made a dent in the battery. The Anker claims you get about 3 charges out of your fully charge your iPad 3 times, 6 times on your iPhone. So you get a lot of use out of the battery. I definitely have in the last 2 weeks. Comes with 3 USB ports, and this is great. They have their own technology, the IQ as they show here, and they have another one called Voltage Booster. So the ports can put out up to 2.4 amps. So that's more than an iPad charger normally, which is 2.1. So it'll charge your devices really, really fast. And they also have the quick charge here. If you have an Android phone that supports that from Qualcomm, that really, I mean, it's unreal how quickly they charge the phone. So it's just, I believe, just that port, of course, does the quick charge for the phones. Here's your micro USB input, so you can charge the battery itself when it runs low. Comes with the micro USB cable, a little carrying bag, and then this is comes with a quick charger as well. Since this is probably my favorite feature of the battery, it charges the battery with the Qualcomm, the quick charge technology. And to give you an example of how great this is, so this battery is 26,800, like I said. I've been using this battery for the last, probably early 2015. This is their 16,000 milliamp battery. So it's 10,000 milliamps less than the big one here. And when I charged this one, I remember I plugged it in at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It was still charging well through the next morning, probably till 11 or 12 the next day. Versus this one, this looks, like I said, 10,000 milliamps more. I plugged it in before going to bed at night, let's say around 8 o'clock at night. When I woke up in the morning, it was already charged and ready to go. They say on their website about 8 to 9 hours to charge this battery. So that's a big difference, and I like just not having to think about plugging it in before I go to bed. I know it's going to be done in the morning. I've been using Anker's batteries for a long time. Have not had any issues with any of their batteries. This one feels like the highest quality one, though. I don't know, maybe it's just the heft of it. There's no rattle to it or anything. Just to give you a size comparison, this is it against the 16,000, the 5,000, and here it is with the little 3,000 milliamp battery. So I mean, it's a big battery, but if you're keeping it in your your backpack or your messenger bag, it's nice to have on you. Honestly, during the day, I use it a lot just to charge my phone, to charge any of my stuff rather than plugging it into the wall. Because I know if I need to leave or if I'm going out for an appointment, I can just have it in my bag, and this is charging faster than the outlets most of the time anyway. So it's a no-brainer to keep on you, and it's hard to wear it out. So hope that's able to help you out. Big fan of Anker overall. Been using them for a long time, as you see here. The other ones I bought. They have great customer service. Never had an issue with their battery. I had an issue with some other little device. They replaced it without any questions asked. So you get an 18-month warranty on it. I highly recommend it. And anyway, hope that helps.